Welcome back to Team O'Neill. I'm Wyatt. What we're going to talk about today are high-speed entry handbrake turns. This is how you do it. Your first objective, clutch in, right foot brake, and handbrake. The car is going to slow down and the rear tires are going to lock up. That's a good thing. Start to trail off the brake as you start to turn in. You're essentially trail braking with your right foot as you come into the corner. The car's gonna turn in, and it's gonna turn in real well because you've got the handbrake still on. So as the car is now rotating towards the apex, continue to trail off the brake, rev match your downshifts if you need to. If you've decided to be in a lower gear for the exit, put the handbrake back, give it gas, clutch out, and go. You can dump a lot of speed on gravel using this. It's a common technique in the World Rally Championship and things like that, even on pavement. You know, the hairpin turns that you see them doing on pavement. Trail brake with the handbrake on, the car rotates. It's really good, it's really smooth when you get the hang of it. Put it all back on the gas and get out of there. And you can carry some speed when you get it right. You probably see this is much easier in an automatic. In an automatic car, you can just left foot brake the whole thing, use the handbrake. You've got like less than half as many steps to do, and the same with a manual sequential in a race car or something like that. Because you're not juggling the 2 feet, 3 pedals drama, it's much easier to just left foot brake, use the handbrake, trail brake, throttle on the way out, and you're kind of good to go. So automatics and sequential racing transmissions, much easier. In a normal H-pattern synchro transmission car, it's only difficult in order to match the revs at the same time as doing everything else in order to get a smooth shift and not hurt the car is really your objective there. But have fun with it, practice it in a slippery place. It's a really good time. If you're into these kinds of videos, consider subscribing and let us know in the comments what other driving skills specifically you'd like to see us spell out in a short video like this, and we'd love to make it easier for you guys getting out there and practicing. Check out Team O'Neill. We run rally, drifting, tarmac, all kinds of different racing programs up here in New Hampshire. If you like driving, we got a course for you. Hope to see you up here. Till then, have fun, be safe, and we'll catch you next time.